Hey there, it's Jenny, and I am thrilled to be here today sharing how I am planning in this mini happy planner. I have not had a suitable on the go planner for a while, and with some of the Happy Planner paper issues, I had not been able to use a Happy Planner. But I found this one in my cabinet and it's undated, so I'm just going to use the stickers and I'll probably try different ones as we go, not this week, but future weeks, just to find the ones that work best for me in this mini Happy Planner. But this is what I had on hand, and so I'm going with it. I'm trying it out, and I am so excited because I really do love a vertical mini Happy Planner. So I am using the Womankind sticker book, trying to go hand in hand with the Better Together sticker book for International Women's Week this week. I'm really looking forward to the colors from this book. It's a really beautiful color palette that is so different. Because of the mini nature of this book, I'm trying to stick to some of the smaller stickers. So I've taken this square and then I'm using one of these little boxes that I wouldn't ordinarily use, and I'm going to layer the box or the square over the box so that I'm covering the text and placing it a little bit off kilter to A, cover all the text, and then B, make this look a little bit more fun and whimsical as opposed to straight and completely just, lining up perfectly. Because again, the normal classic size Happy Planner stickers don't line up perfectly. So how can I make that work to my advantage? That's one way. I'm adding this Hello Weekend sticker because it's so cute and I love it and it's a weekend and why not celebrate? So I need to add the second part of my visual triangle, and I don't want to use the whole box. So I'm using part of it, trimming off the edge, and it'll be flush up against the edge, and I love it. One of my favorite techniques. And so then I'll save the rest of that sticker just for future use. Honestly, I could have probably used it on the left-hand side of the page, but I chose not to this week. So I am going to go through and try to find some more stickers. I need that third anchor for my triangle over on the left-hand side, but not before I add a little rainbow action with that box. Now, for now, I don't ordinarily love to just keep two elements, but I think it's probably going to work out okay in the end. So we will stay tuned till next week and see how that all turns out. But I layered a couple of different florals, one cluster and one singular flower together for that third anchor point. And I like that because I try not to have multiple boxes with text on them. And so this did that as well. Now I'm going to start adding the colorful boxes for my activities for the week. Now you can see they are much too wide, which is great. I love overlapping stickers, so this does that for me perfectly. And I will just go through with all the plans I have for the week and add those right here to my planner. Now I will alternate both size, color, and how they overlap with the boxes. So mostly we'll just be overlapping the columns. However, there will be a little bit in terms of color and where they're going, like next to each other as well. I will also do some writing directly on the page because I do love the way that looks when you're alternating stickers and writing directly on the page. I think it just makes it more visually appealing to me, and so I definitely do that. Now you can see I'm adding a box right down there at the bottom. See, it came together great, and I didn't even mean for that to happen because I had initially thought that maybe I would add some washi there, but I wanted to see how the whole week came together. So I am using the Papermate Flare pen to fill in the boxes, and I am back on the flare. That sounds so weird, doesn't it? After I've been using a Zebra Sarasa pen for quite some time now, and I just thought it would be fun to break out the flare again. So that is where we're at. Now I'm just filling in all those boxes, and I still have a couple of more things that I need to do paper to pen, but I will use the mild liner. I'm going to use yellow this week just to bring in some of those. That's one of those colors that's not completely at the forefront in the design of these stickers, and I'm showing you no bleeding. Hooray! I'm just so excited because I've really had some issues with the Happy Planner paper, and so I'm thrilled to be back in better quality Happy Planner paper. So I will just do the highlighting first so I don't smear. Look, see, no bleeding. So exciting. I'm doing the highlighter first so I don't have any bleeding. With the Sarasa Dry, I can write and then highlight, but it's okay with me. It doesn't matter at all. I'm not bothered by it in the slightest to do it this way for this purpose. I'm not using the highlight to notate being finished. That is it for me this week. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so much and make it a great day.